How to write an application to claim check. Authorization letter to claim check. Date, May 3, 2019. 2. ATTN address, postal code, country. Subject, authorization letter to claim check. To whom it may concern. This is to certify my connection, that is, father name connection, to claim my check from your office on my behalf since I can't be absent from work. To support my claim, I have appended 2 of my identity cards, respectively. ID 1, that is company ID. ID 2, that is passport ID, to serve as proof that I have allowed the bearer of this letter to claim the check on my behalf. If you want to verify should you have any questions about the identity of the person bearing this letter, you can always call me at, which is also reflected on my IDs. I am hoping for your kind consideration on this matter. Thank you, and I am hoping for your smooth cooperation. Yours sincerely, name, signature. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com